Happy Sunday. It's time to make Sunday pancakes. So in here, my flour, my sugar, my baking powder, all the dry ingredients are in here. And here, I have my egg, my liquid milk, some cut fresh pepper and onions. So, I'm going to mix everything. You can see the milk, how it's popping off. Mix everything properly together. Mixing. And then pour the liquid ingredient into the dry ingredient and mix properly to have a fluffy, good to eat pancake. That's the pancake on the frying pan, loading up. Guys, my pancake is ready. Can you see it? You are what you eat. I hope you know that pancake is a whole meal. Like it's a balanced diet. That's why some people that do a similar something call it diet. It's a balanced diet because in here there is protein, there is fats and oil, there is carbohydrates, there are vitamins and minerals all embedded here.